Achoo! Oh, I think I'm getting a cold.
What a bounce-tacular, boing-orific, lippity-loopity day for jump stops! Oh, fiddle frogs.
Ooh, it's definitely getting colder.
What? Your feet are getting cheesier?
Well, this is not boing-orific. It's Billie the Odd-Paw Vet! Stop! I'm down here!
What was that?
Sorry, when I get the honk-sneezes, I really get the honk-sneezes.
I'm just gonna scan you with my otoscope. Half elephant, half frog. This Odd-Paw is an Elefrog.
I love your nose. It's even bigger than mine.
Drabbit.
Poor thing. You definitely have the sniffles. Well, come down with us to the care clinic and we'll get you feeling all better.
I'll go get the out carrier.
Drabbit.
Or you could just get him yourself.
An Odd-Paw needs help. Better get set.
This jump's for Billy.
Billie the Odd-Paw Vet. I'm just gonna take your temperature. Open wide. High temperature, red nose, super loud honk-sneezes. All of these are the signs of germs.
Gross!
Nasty things, germs. Completely invisible. And it doesn't take much for them to spread.
Spread?
Drabbit.
How? Just like that.
Right, we've got to act fast before our Elefrog friend turns this place into one giant germ. Rox, Nova, you're my clinic cleanup team. Take this and spray it on all the surfaces. It'll get rid of those nasty germs.
You got it! Let's make it a game. Whoever gets the most germs wins. Ooh, or first to use up their spray. Or hide and seek. Ah, I love hide and seek.
Now those super strong honk-sneezes are gonna need some super strong medicine.
What's that?
It's a nasal spray. It goes up your nose.
Up my nose?
Up her nose? Oh, be brave, Elefrog.
I'm not so sure about that, Billy.
Don't worry, it's totally safe. Just relax and...
That's what you were gonna say, right? Okay, if that's what you want.
Jumping? No, Elefrog! Come back! What? Oh, okay. I know it's a bit scary to do something you've never done before, but it won't hurt. Watch.
That doesn't look so bad. All right, let's do this.
3, 2, 1, and... There. That wasn't so bad, was it?
Not at all. It was kind of tickly.
Drabbit.
And we're all done cleaning over here.
Thank you so much, Billy. I feel boing-orific again.
So, all is well, and no one had to put anything up Rox's nose. Uh-oh.
Come on, Rox. You can do this.
Oh, no.
We've saved every Odd-Paw we've ever met. Way to go, Billy the Odd-Paw Vet.